Aha, good morning. If you are staying around here, this block here, and you need to push a wheelchair, or you are riding a wheelchair, then you have two options. You can drop here, and you go up the ramp, and then you go there to the left of that block there. Alternatively, if it's raining, heavy rain, then there is no shelter here. You can drop at the shelter there. You can see the blue one. You can drop at the shelter there and find your way up. Let's see how it goes. Okay, you can see the parking lots here are marked in red and white. You can only park here from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. is only for season parking resident, or anytime anybody has a season parking for this particular section of the parking space in Woodlands, right? You can park here. Otherwise, you'll get a letter. Okay, this blue thing here is a covered walkway, or you can say covered linkway, that leads all the way down to the main road, Woodlands Avenue 5. By the way, this is Woodlands Estate. You can see here the lifts are marked. The lift are marked B, lobby B, and here is lobby E. So accordingly, all the lifts have got marking. Lobby A, B, C, D. Lobby A is normally hidden inside the building. I will show you later. Okay, let's start now. If it's raining, then you can drop here, right? You can drop here, either your taxi or Grab or whatever vehicle you have, or whatever you are riding, you can drop here. There you can see the shade. There's the shade, right? You can drop here, and then you walk inside here. Walk inside here. By the way, this is block number 104 Woodlands Street 13. Then you take a walk here. Alright. From the shade here, you can push the wheelchair here without umbrella. You don't need an umbrella. And you come here. Alright. Okay, do not take this lift. This lift is only for residents around this area, which has the unit number, block 104, unit number 196 to 198. They can use this lift. But for us who are going through, as I was saying, we want to go to the other block. We have to take another lift. We call it lift A. Okay. Let's see where the lift is. Okay, here is another lift landing. But again, this lift at lobby, what? I can't see the lobby. Never mind. Lobby, no. It's only for residents staying at unit number 200 to 202. Okay. This is most probably lobby C. Okay, now get the wheelchair here. Go along here. Okay. There you will see lobby A. This is lobby A. This is the only lift you can take to go to block 103 or any higher level block. Unit number. This is only for unit number 204 to 206. Okay, so we pressed the lift. During pandemic, you can use your elbow to press. All right. Let's wait for the lift to come. This is lobby A. You can see it's written lobby A. I didn't notice what lobby number was for the other two lifts. Anyway, this lift go to, just now I show you 202 or 204 to 206, right? Then here we should press to level 2. We are now at still level 1. Ground floor here is called level 1. You don't have a button for ground floor. It's level 1. All the lifts here are level 1 for ground floor. You come up from the lift, you gotta take, I think, to the left. See? To the left, right? And there is a ramp. Oh. This is a ramp. Push your wheelchair or your wheelchair patient. Go here. They are all level up here. Yeah, you can see wheelchair cannot go up here. It's a staircase. So we go to this lift D now. We go to lift D. We go to lift D to go up to the next level, which is level 3. Now we are at level 2. This one is only 4208210. Now we go to press level 3. You see level 3? Okay, when you go up to level 3, there is also a ramp that brings you here. Okay. Take the ramp with the wheelchair or push the wheelchair here. There's a stopper here in case you overshoot. Okay. Yeah. Ramp here. And then take this one again. But it's raining, right? So we imagine it's raining, so we take this road here. We take this way here. Along the way you will see bicycle parking lots. You can see this can be pulled. You can pull here. Yeah, you can pull here. You can bring it down. Pull and bring it down, right? Okay. Now we want to go to block 103, or shall I say to the upper level also. That is, you go block 104. You want to go to the upper level during rain on a wheelchair. So you will come to here. Where? Here. If you are staying at upper level and your unit number is 212-214, you got to take, like what I showed you just now, from lift A, from level 1, take it to level 2, and then now we are at level 3, at lift E, lift lobby E. Okay, but now we are going to block 103, right? You can see block 103. And block 103, you got to push your wheelchair here out from that lift just now. Push the wheelchair here slowly. Yeah, beware of the drain. Okay. Now from here you can take the lift to go up to block 103. This is a very complicated setup. You can go to block 103 and you take the lift. There's only one lift here, which is lift lobby A. You go to any level you want, and at that level you can see there's a corridor. You can reach all the house number there on the right, and all the house number on the left, because there is a common corridor. Yeah, let's go back to that block 103 and continue with some explanation or description how to take the lift up to block 103 when it is raining. I already show you block 104 how it goes. The same system goes at block 105. You go to lift lobby A, go to level 2, and then after that you take the ramp to the next lift and go up to level 3, which is I think lift lobby D. No, lift lobby C. Then you go up to level 3, and then from lift lobby C, level 3, you can go up to block 103, push all the way here direct. Alright, so no worries guys, if you have staying in a HDB public housing with different along the slope, and the lift doesn't reach your unit, look for the ramp, or you look for the next lift that can bring you up to that level, because from down there, from lift lobby A at ground floor at level 1, you cannot reach to the higher level. It's on different plane, totally different, especially if you are taking a wheelchair and it's raining, you need to take the shade there. Okay, that's about all now. Yeah, you can see the shade here. You can follow the shade here and here also, and you can use the same method to go to block 102, right? 102 with the same covered laneway here.